back to the channel, everybody. It's your boy Sean here with Trucking Life with Sean, and today I got a video to talk to you about for what it was like truck driving 20 years ago, from 2005 to 2025. We're gonna break down the 10 differences. A lot of y'all, whether you're an old truck driver, you're a new truck driver, y'all gonna be able to relate to this video. So make sure you stick with us all the way to the end. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, do it right now. Let's get into it.
Right out of school, and before I put them out with the trainer, I want them to get today, sitting over here, and we're going to just do some practicing back and forth.